Welcome to our updated guide on how to change the AI wallpaper on Snapchat. Give your AI chat a fresh new look by following these simple steps. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate the chat icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to access your chats. Next, tap on My AI to access your AI chat settings. Then, select My AI at the top of the screen to further customize your AI chat experience. Under Our Chat, tap on Wallpaper to explore different wallpaper options for your AI chat. Choose a wallpaper that resonates with your style and preferences. After selecting the desired wallpaper, tap on Change Wallpaper to apply the new wallpaper to your AI chat interface. Preview how the new wallpaper looks and make any adjustments if needed. Once you're satisfied with the wallpaper selection, tap on Confirm to save the changes and set the new wallpaper for your AI chat. By following these steps, you can easily change the AI wallpaper on Snapchat and give your AI chat a personalized and visually appealing touch. Enjoy customizing your AI chat experience with a variety of wallpaper options available on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and we hope this updated guide helps you enhance your AI chat experience on Snapchat by changing the wallpaper to reflect your unique style and preferences. Have fun exploring different wallpapers and making your AI chat stand out with a fresh new look.